Hey, what's up YouTube? Today's video is going to be pretty different. So I actually rented a Tesla Model S Plaid. So this is actually sort of like a birthday gift to myself, and it's going to be, I'm so excited to try it out. For myself, I never drove any car that drive from 0 to 100 probably under 4 seconds. Thinking about it, I've been thinking about it for a couple of days. I'm just so excited for it. So yeah, let's drive this baby. Turn signal is actually here. Yeah, I need to change the settings a little bit. So, nope. So it does not know when I need to turn backward still. So yeah, like the Model S, I think even takes more time to get used to than the Model 3. Because of all the controls, they're just so like, how you describe it, like once you get used to it, I'm pretty sure it's great. But the control, it's just so new compared to Model 3, where it still has like a lot of stuff that you see in a traditional car. So far, like 5 minutes in, I just hop into the car and start driving. Never drove any Teslas before too, so like so far it's been there are things that I need to figure out, such as the turn signal. And then here, somehow I'm not getting the Bluetooth to play. Okay, there we go. This one. Woo! It's something else. Just press it on it, I'm just like, oh man, it's gonna be fun. It does make a little bit more noise or movement than I expected. So my next car is definitely gonna be EV, not just, like, it doesn't have to be the Plaid for now, but like eventually maybe like whatever down the line, the Roadster or whichever car comes down the line, definitely like for EV, I feel like if it fits in your lifestyle, if you're that kind of person that would like feel like you enjoy driving, you can take your time, and then you don't mind like going somewhere and then just charging and waiting there. Like an EV is the way to go. But nowadays the Model 3, the price has gone up so much that like it's not even that much difference from Y anymore. I mean from S anymore. It used to be that the Model 3 is it's like twice as cheap as the Model S. But nowadays you're only saving like 30% from a Model S to a Model 3, something around 30%. So nowadays it just kind of, if you need an extra cargo space and the interior space, and you also enjoy the longer range and the newer like console, things like that, like a Model S, it makes sense. Even, well, not the Plaid one, I mean just the regular Model S. The Plaid one, you're just buying for the pleasure in a way. You're buying pleasure. That's definitely the way to put it. Woo! My phone just fell. I just hit it. Oh man. I need to put this somewhere else. That's just insane. Oh man. So coming from a Chevy Volt, I guess like the space underneath is actually quite a bit larger, like a lot more leg rooms in a way. And then just the setting, I still have to tune the setting, but just the car stopping itself, I think for daily driving, it's like so much less stress, like driving through traffic and things like that. It makes things so much easier. Wait, here's another one. All right, there we go. 3, 2. Whoa! Whoa! Oh man. It just puts a smile on your face. It's insane. You don't even need to go that fast. I was like going from like 50 to 100, but that was, oh my god. That was fun. That was fun. It's almost like you're playing a game because you generally don't see things moving that fast. I think that's the best way to describe it. So yeah, like I'm gonna drive out a little bit more in the evening and catch you guys later.
Oh shit!
This is the one, yeah.
Damn, that's cool. What is this car?
It's a Tesla.
I know, but like, what is the model?
It's a Model S Plaid.
I don't know what to.
How ready are you?
I don't know. I've been in John's Tesla.
Yeah,
But
Model
it's not
3, right?
Yeah, and I've been in my car.
This is twice as fast?
Yes.
Oh, fuck.
You're gonna
Let's go.
feel it.
Oh shit! It's a good day to be high, man.
Oh, that's the screen.
This boy's wildin'.
Okay, you
There's
ready?
a car behind us.
It's a car behind.
Ready?
Yeah.
Holy
Holy fucking shit!
You feel it?
Bro, I felt
It's like a roller coaster.
Whoa! Holy shit! Bro,
Yeah.
bro. Whoa, that's legit a
told
roller
you.
coaster.
I'm trying to like,
The whole time.
bro.
Wait,
Yeah.
these two. I was holding it for too long.
Holy fuck, bro!
How fast?
Oh my god, damn. Dude, we flew this whole
That
thing.
gave me a whip.
I told you.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
This thing is insane.
Oh my god, my balls went.
If I were to describe today in just one sentence, it's just that I felt like a kid again. That's what it felt like driving the Plaid. The experience of driving a Plaid is definitely something else. Like, especially like for the price, it's a pretty good deal. Like to me anyway. So like I do value the experience like a lot more nowadays than just buying something else, I guess. And yeah, like it sort of released a lot of pressure for me, to be honest. It's like a roller coaster, right? When you go bungee jumping, it releases a lot of pressure from you. So that is that. Next time probably driving this car is probably gonna be next year, or maybe like in a couple years I'll be able to buy one, right? All right, okay, we are at the stop sign. From 0 to Plaid. Woo! Woo! Oh shit! That doesn't matter how many times I ripped it. Man, that was the last one. That was the last one. Oh, there's no word to describe it. Alright, thanks so much for watching this unique video, and I'll catch you in another video. Bye. I just found out I floored the car so hard, the food that I had in the back, the box just came apart.